What's up, welcome back. In this tutorial I want to show you an indicator which makes it very easy to see what the opening and the closing price is of a candle. And as you can see, I have the indicator already applied to the chart in Tradingview, and I will show you all the settings and how you can apply it in a few seconds. But first let me explain how this indicator works. So over here you can see that each candle has an I have to zoom in a little bit, but as you can see, each candle has a green cross and also a yellow cross. The green cross, that is the opening price of the candle, and the yellow cross is the closing price of the candle. So this indicator makes it very easy to see, especially for beginners who have a little bit of a hard time reading the candles and getting familiar with all the things that are involved with trading. So this indicator makes it very easy to see what the opening and also the closing prices of a candle. So let me show you how you can add this indicator. So I will remove this. Now you can see that it's not visible anymore. So I will go to the indicator option over here. If you hover over it, you can see indicators. Click on it. Now go to the search option and search for the ONC overlay close indicator. You spell it like this, and you need this one, the plot real open and close by Sam X, and the contributor is Sam account X. So make sure to click on this one. Now you can close this. Now you can see that the indicator has been added to the chart, but we have to make some changes to make it more visible. So what we need to do is click on the indicator, then go to the settings option by clicking on the gear icon. Click on it. Over here you have to deselect this option, so make sure it's not selected. Over here you can change the color for the opening symbol, so for the open cross, so you can make it green, for example. And for the closing price of a candle, you can change the color to something else. So for example, I'll set it to yellow, but of course you can change everything and change the colors exactly as you want it to be. So this is only for this tutorial. And then the next thing you have to do is you have to close this option as well. So deselect the show line for current real price, so don't select it. Then click on OK to save all the settings. And last thing you need to do is you have to click on these three dots over here, more, click on it, then go to the visual order option and then select bring to front. So that means that now this indicator will be displayed in front of the candles, so therefore it's more visible. So now you have the crosses applied to your chart. Now you can easily see the opening and the closing prices of each candle. So now you know how it works. If you found this indicator helpful and also this video, make sure to give it a like. Also subscribe to the channel. Hit the notification bell if you want to stay up to date on new videos that we'll be uploading. A lot of more content will be coming soon, which will help you to become a better trader. So if you can appreciate that, make sure to subscribe. And with that being said, hope you have a nice day, and I hope to see you back again in the next video.